Thank you for tuning in and welcome to yet another episode on Kill Team. Today will be a mix of gathered info. I'll have a look at the weekender-only exclusive kill teams, compare the new Wall of Martyr board to the Deathworld Forest board, talk a bit about the secondary objectives card deck and try to identify wave 5 through 7. So, last weekend Warhammer World hosted the first Kill Team Weekender, and various forums and Facebook pages were flooded with news on two exclusive kill teams only available to those attending, Gaunt's Ghost and Shepard's Last Chances. So these are old sculpts dating years back, and like back then, they're white metal. Not plastic, not resin, white metal. These screenshots are from an unboxing made by two mini metal men, and as you can see, the kill teams came with data cards, not tactic cards. Nothing unique. Initially, I was once again frustrated by the fact that we live in Denmark, not Nottingham, UK. But after seeing this unboxing, I'm not sure I would have paid £25 a team. I'll put the link in the description. Speaking of the Kill Team Weekender, one of our amazing viewers attended and scored 2 sets of the secondary objectives card deck, first introduced at Nova Open. Not only did Philip send us one of the decks, he also forwarded these pictures from the event. I can't thank him enough, and we have of course already sent him a thank you Errant painting mug. I'm planning to do an episode on the secondary objectives and try out a Kill Team Maelstrom mission we have been working on. More on this in a future episode. More good news. If you watched my review of the Deathworld Forest expansion, you know that the Sector Imperialis side of that board, the one partly overgrown, didn't line up with any of the existing Sector Imperialis boards. This missed opportunity has been corrected with the Wall of Martyrs expansion. The two boards line up beautifully, and I can't wait to play in 2 sectors at once. And then the Errata and FAQ are out. Personally, I'm happy they fixed the Terror Tactics mission and nerfed Flail of Corruption. I'm not gonna do a separate video on this, 10 plus YouTubers beat us to it. Finally, GW is now halfway through the faction releases, only 8 more to go. Am I the only one wondering why Harlequins were skipped? The rest of the teams have been released in the same order they were previewed in the faction index. The Orcs, Space Marines and Sector Mechanicus was part of the first wave. Second wave gave us Tyranids, Imperial Guard and Sector Monitorum. Wave 3 included Dark Elder, Deathwatch and Deathworld Forest, and finally Tau, Necrons and Wall of Martyrs went up for pre-order last Saturday. But for some reason Harlequins have been skipped. Had it not been for this, I would have made the prediction that all future regular waves would consist of 2 kill teams and a kill zone. Now I'm not so sure. So why would they skip Harlequins? One reason could be their mirthless hatred tactic. Use this tactic when a model from your kill team is chosen to fight. Reroll failed hit rolls and failed wound rolls for this model's attack that targets Slaanesh models until the end of the phase. As of now, only one model has a reason to choose a Slaanesh keyword, a Chaos Space Marine model with the icon of excess. But since that icon boosts the Death to the False Emperor ability, it will never be fielded against Harlequins. And with 2019 being the year of chaos and the new Fiend being leaked, we might just see a Harlequins vs Slaanesh box in the beginning of the year. This would contradict the previous rumor though, that Rogue Trader, Commander and Inquisition will be the first 3 expansions for Kill Team. So, not overthinking the omission of clowns. If GW keeps releasing faction boxes following the same release model, 2 factions and an environment, we can expect 4 more kill zones with terrain from the existing ranges. And there's not really a whole lot left. Tau came with Wall of Martyrs, so Tight Wall is unlikely. Left is Garden of Nurgle, Aegis Defense Line, Sky Shield Landing Pad, Honored Imperium, Battlefield Accessories Set, Imperial Bastion, Shrine of the Aquila, STC Riser Pattern Ruins and the Necromunda terrain. The terrain from Speed Freaks is also a possibility. If I should rate these from unlikely to likely, it would be Garden of Nurgle, Shrine of the Aquila, Imperial Bastion, Necromunda, Rise of Runes, Speed Freaks Barricades, Aegis Defense Line, Battlefield Accessories, Honored Imperium, and finally the landing pad, which I consider the most likely. Please share your thoughts on this. I'll put the link to the faction previews in the description. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more Kill Team videos. This has been Mother Nurgle. Have a nice day.